In this video, I'm sharing 3 really powerful GarageBand for iPad tips. I'll share the easiest way to get started with a new project, show off some secret autoplay features, and I'll demo how to manually add and edit your own custom chord strips. Whether you want to open a project that you're already working on, start a brand new recording, or work with a fresh live loops grid, you can jump right into GarageBand without even actually opening the app. I know, it sounds mad, but bear with me. On your iPad or iPhone's home screen, find the GarageBand app icon, and instead of tapping it like you usually would to open the app, instead press and hold on it. 2 menus will pop up that give you loads of options. The menu at the bottom here allows you to select from your most recent projects. Just tap on one and it'll open right back up for you. In this other menu, you can hide the app, which will remove it from your dock, though it will still be visible in any widgets you have that include it, or you can remove it altogether. You can have the app require Face ID in order to open, so if you're worried about someone peeking at your beats or something, you can set this up and only you will be able to open the app. You can share the app to another person via AirDrop, through messages, and all other usual sharing options. And you can edit your home screen from this menu if you want to. The next options, though, are the most interesting. You can select to reopen the most recent project you were working on with this option. You can also create a new audio recording with this option. This opens GarageBand up into a new project with an audio track loaded up. All you have to do is hit record and you can capture whatever you want right away. Super handy for when inspiration strikes and you just want to record an idea, melody, or vocal line ASAP. You can select this option to create a new live loops song, which opens a fresh, blank live loops grid for you, which you can dive into and start messing with immediately. And you can also create a new track song, which takes you directly to the instrument menu, where you can select a track type and start working in a traditional linear GarageBand project right away. Incredibly handy if you want to jump into GarageBand as soon as possible. This is a feature I don't see a lot of users using or talking about really. Quick refresher first then. To access a Touch Instruments autoplay feature, obviously select it from the instrument menu, then select chords from the notes/chords toggle. You'll see an autoplay dial appear. You can then select a pattern, then tap on the chord you want to play. The pattern will set off and you can tap on other chords to have the melody change seamlessly. But that's not all. You can actually access multiple different autoplay patterns from each of the 4 autoplay settings. So in this particular Touch instrument, I'm in chords mode and I have selected from one of the 4 available autoplay sequences. If I tap this chord strip with my finger, you'll hear the sequence play back. If I then tap on the same chord strip with 2 fingers, you'll hear that the autoplay pattern changes a little. What's more, if I then tap on the same chord strip with 3 fingers, the autoplay pattern changes again. What this means is that there are 3 variations available in each of an instrument's 4 autoplay patterns, depending on whether you activate a chord strip with 1, 2, or 3 fingers. And this is true for every single Touch instrument and Touch instrument type available in GarageBand for iOS. So you can create a bit more variation by triggering autoplay with a different number of fingers, but you're also not limited to the available touch instrument sounds that you can select from the instrument menu. Provided you start off in the piano touch instrument, you can swap out the piano for any other keyboard or synth sound in GarageBand's sound library, including sounds from any sound or producer packs you might have downloaded. I find being able to add my own custom chords to GarageBand's Touch Instruments chords view is great, as I can add things like chord extensions and alternative bass notes. It's really straightforward to set up. First off, you'll obviously want to be in one of GarageBand's many touch instruments. I'll just select the default piano for now though. Next, I need to tap on the settings icon in the control bar. It's the cog-shaped icon here. And then tap Edit Chords. Note that in order for the Edit Chords option to show up, you'll need to have tapped on this button to switch your touch instrument to chords view. Now I need to tap on the chord strip I want to use for my custom chord. In this interface, I can swipe on the chord wheels to set the root chord, chord quality, and to add an added note. So instead of the current C major chord strip, I can change this one to D minor 7th. Here's how that sounds. I can also add in a different bass note using the bass wheel here. And then I'll hit done when I'm finished and my chord strip is ready to go. You can build your own chord strips in any of GarageBand's touch instruments. Here's how it looks in the strings touch instrument. And in the guitar touch instrument, for example. Thanks so much for watching to the end. If you found this video helpful, then please give that like button a good hard slap. I really appreciate it and it helps more people see this video. And if you're in the mood for even more GarageBand for iPad tips and tricks, watch this video next.